It's the crab.
I was going that,
She's saying how to wick it off.
She going to sleep, right?
Sometimes when I'm not feeling it well and I'm going through something, if I dance it out, I'm better.
The music and the rhythm and the moves and even in the clothing, I feel like it's like interwoven into our DNA.
I wish that we could crush that stereotype of like black men don't dance and stuff, because like now that you look up on like the most popular thing that you see on TV or like on the internet and stuff dancing are black males. And like I feel like if we have a stronger presence of black males in the dance arts or just in the arts as, you know, as a whole and stuff, I think that will kind of like open up a gateway to like, you know, let these young black men kind of be like, oh, well, I see it's okay. I see it's cool to do this stuff. Like black men are like, oh, well, I don't want to have to put on tights and stuff. You don't always got to do that type of stuff. Like people got to learn how to research this stuff. You don't always have to put on these tights and stuff like that just to learn the technique or the style or the culture of that genre that you're doing and stuff. Tupac took ballet. Right. Football players and basketball players train in ballet because it helps with their footwork. Because like God made you how you gonna be regardless. Like dancing and stuff like that, that doesn't make you a certain way. Yeah. I think males period are being kind of like strayed away from dancing or the arts because they feel like, oh, if I get into the arts, I'm gonna be a homosexual. And it's like, no, I'm living proof. Exactly. I'm not. You know what I mean?
Yeah.